To check your transaction history on Etsy, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and find your purchase records easily. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your Etsy profile. Step 2. Go to your profile. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. This will open a drop-down menu with various options related to your account. Step 3. Select Purchases and Reviews. From the drop-down menu, select Purchases and Reviews. This section contains all your past purchases and their details, allowing you to view your transaction history. Step 4. Review your transactions. In the Purchases and Reviews section, you will see a list of all your transactions. You can scroll through the list to find specific orders, including dates, items purchased, and seller information. Step 5. Filter or search for specific transactions. If you are looking for a specific transaction, use the search bar or filters available on the page. You can filter by date range or search for specific items to quickly locate the transaction you need. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your transaction history on Etsy. This information can be helpful for tracking purchases, managing returns, or keeping records for budgeting.